What's up, everybody?
To the Titan. Four-wheel 4x4 wasn't engaging. ABS light was on. Slip light was on. Comes out. Thought it was the brakes. I did all 4 rear pads, front pads, did them all. Got a little bit better, but yeah, ended up being a bad wheel bearing. See the play? It's a bad wheel bearing right there. You can see it kind of splitting. Check this out. ABS sensor. So that grind mark. I don't know if you can see in that hole. Yep, you don't see the splines. Yep. Truck only has like, I don't know, 40,000 miles. Yeah.